73 page 24. Molten recycled plastic flowing through the cooling channel. This viscous material cools as it flows, its colors blending into new patterns. 73 page 24. Molten recycled plastic flowing through the cooling channel. This viscous material cools as it flows, its colors blending into new patterns. As the recycled plastic continues through the cooling channel to temperature press the dishes, this slow cooling process preserves the vibrant marbled color patterns while improving the material's strength and stability. Further prepare precision molding of durable decorative floor tiles. Inside a modern factory, hundreds of empty hexagonal steel molds stand ready, precisely arranged to be filled with molten recycled plastic. This advanced production line highlights the scale and efficiency of sustainable manufacturing.
After passing through the industrial cooling line, the recycled plastic has completely solidified inside the precision steel molds. Once the recycled plastic has completely cooled and solidified, the precision hydraulic press begins the demolding process.
Before leaving the factory, every recycled floor tile undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. Advanced cameras, precision laser scanners, and technicians carefully examine each tile for and strength. Tiles that meet the highest quality standards are approved for delivery.
We've got the latest batch of marbled colors ready. Ensure the green straps are secure before loading.
The journey is complete. What was once a pile of discarded plastic shoes has been transformed into a beautiful, durable, and eco-friendly floor.